Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to see how to get more flowers on Anthurium plant. It's a beautiful and permanent flowering plant that doesn't need direct sunlight and usually grown as indoor plant. Growing them is not difficult, but we need to do few things correctly to increase flowers. Follow my success formula in case your plant is not flowering well or you are just getting one flower at a time. Three important things we need. First, a perfect potting mix. Second, proper nutrients. Third, your care. Let's take a look at everything step by step and you would see all the updates. Here I have collected two plants from nursery. Please follow the steps. Step number 1. I am going to plant both these two plants in a single pot. To get more flowers, our plants should have more than one shoot. Obviously, you can grow one plant in one pot. Thing is, it's going to take more time as Anthurium is a slow grower and it takes time to produce new offshoots. Here is one offshoot as you can see. Step number 2. Potting mix. I am taking 4 different components in equal part. First one is small pieces of coconut husk. Second, vermicompost. Third, sand, and any sand works well. I am taking construction sand. Fourth component is cocopeat. You may be asking, Anthurium is epiphyte, means it grows on another plant. Then why I am taking sand in the potting mix? Well, I have tried before using soil media that is good for epiphytes and I took 80% small pieces of coconut husk and 20% cocopeat. Unfortunately, it did not work for me. The plant did not grow well even after trying everything whatever I am going to do next. Step number 3. Taking out the plant from the plastic bag and loosening up the soil so that I can fit both two plants in a single pot. Step number 4. Here I am going to use a 6-inch wider and 6-inch deeper pot. Please avoid using bigger pot like 10 to 12 inch. They bloom well when they are somewhat root bound. I did this mistake before and I have used a much bigger pot. Filling the pot a bit and here is the important step number 5. Going to add two components. First one is Bascote. It's a slow release fertilizer and it would work for next 5 to 6 months. You would find Bascote on Amazon and 7 grams for one pot is enough. Second component is 30 grams bone meal. Instead of this, we can use rock phosphate. Right now, using these two components would be enough. One more component we need to use and soon I will discuss about it. Combining two plants and then repotting. Anthurium is extremely toxic to dogs when ingested. But what to do? Egon just doesn't leave me alone and I am quite sure you have seen plenty of times in my videos. Anyway, he is just watching, not eating anything and I am not going to let him. For your info, I reported in December and we can report at any time unless it's not freezing cold in winter. Watering well and then I would keep the plants only under indirect sunlight but bright light. Let's take a look at the updates. Really sorry for the blurry footage. Somehow my DSLR did not focus properly and I was also in a hurry. One bloom already spent and that's why removing it. This is after 105 days and I am really happy to show you such result. After failing for many times, finally I am able to get more flowers on my plants. In case you have other success recipe, please feel free to share by commenting below. It would be helpful for all the gardeners. One bloom is already spent, but good thing is one more is about to bloom. The offshoots are also growing well, as we can see. Hope after some days I am going to get even more flowers. So far I haven't applied anything other than only one thing. Few days back there was a stone storm in my place. That's why some of the leaves got damaged and one bloomed too. The storm has damaged some of my other plants too, but only a little. For water, please do when you see the topsoil is dry. They actually need constantly moist soil. Just yesterday evening I watered my plant and that's why soil is looking bit wet. So what are the components I have been using? It's potassium nitrate. The dose is 1 teaspoon, that is 5 grams in 1 liter water. We can spray once in 10 to 15 days. I have been doing the same from December till today. Honestly saying, I have reduced the uses of chemical products, but for Anthurium I had to use. Very soon I would also work only on organic materials, and wish me good luck. As you love growing indoor plants, I believe you would also want to know how to grow beautiful Aglaonema plants. For more info, please feel free to check out the next video. That's all about increasing flowers on Anthurium, and hope you found this video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.